Recording in progress.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, good evening, Sanbonana. I hope you guys are all well. This is your captain speaking. Um, we are live trading this morning once again. GBP, JPY, and other pair named Gold, also known as XAU USD. Today is the 11th of September 2024, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, let's have a good session. So before we take off, please fasten your seatbelts and enjoy your stay, enjoy your flight, enjoy your ride. Yeah, seatbelt sign is on. Well, yeah, let's get it, boy.
Yeah,
Okay.
man.
Yeah. So that daily did yesterday, what I spoke about doing, very clear on what we did with that, and quite simple. And yeah, so let's just do this. Go. So from a daily price point, we're looking at this overall bearish structure, target formed. You started to create structure to the upside, and then you sort of kind of close back below. Right, this closing below here, that was key to continue the move to the downside. Now, if that would have held, it would have been a different story, but it didn't. We closed below, rejected. Now, resistance has formed. Boom, push down, close below here once again, and if that line would be straight, you can see that it's almost there. Let me get a straight line, sort of, kinda. Right, so price there in normal, you'd see here that this did not, yesterday's candle did not break the previous candle high, forming resistance and closing below this. Right, so here's your resistance. Boom, here is then clear that today you should be selling off now. Obviously, I do not want to be selling the low of the freaking day, as I wouldn't with any other candle, especially on the daily. But overall, this is the target for this move. Right, now I'm not looking to catch the whole thing. I just need a piece, just a fucking piece. Just give me a piece, bro. Some good plays overnight with Bank of Japan, some negative speculation with Bank of Japan, and then some negative data coming out of the UK this morning. So also very clear to see that we are headed down. Nothing more to say about that. Just a waiting game at this point. Is as we can see on the 4 hour, quite clear to see how we have rejected there before. Now, this, however, was part of that downside move, right? Now you had your pullback phase and your structure changing to the upside. So that rejection there comes in some bullish structure. What you have now is bearish structure, right? So you'd expect this to eventually get broken to go full up these areas over here. So just about to wait, expect some pullbacks. I mean, we've had some massive downside overnight. Just a waiting game at this point. Just a waiting game at this point. Some more. What time is this now with the UK new? This is 4 minutes past. Okay. Yeah, Bank of Japan said I have no preset idea on path and pace of future rate hikes. Okay, but if nothing there. Okay. Companies have become more keen to pass on higher costs than in past, which means effect of FX move on inflation could be bigger. Ooh, okay. Okay, so bit of nothing again, but it could be bigger. But it could be bigger. That's what he said. That's what she said. Okay, we got Keegan Barnes in the YouTube.
Oh yeah.
This one, no. So as far as everything else goes this morning, my options, I would like to see sort of kind of this hourly and 30-minute area over here. I'd like to see how we sort of kind of act in these price points to reject anywhere in here and then play down from these areas down into target for further downside. But I don't want to see structure being built. I just want to see sort of kind of a decent push to there to reject. Because if structure gets built, we could pull back and continue the structure up.
What's the reason for going off the 30 and not the 15-minute?
The 15, it's just because I already reasoned this morning. This 15 here, as usual, I play the 15, but currently this one has already pushed down. It's a strong move to here. This one sort of kind of closed just above this, and it's a bit early still, so I'm expecting a bit of a deeper pullback. That's just what I'm expecting this morning. The scan also has no upper wick. If price had to look a bit better and this candle didn't look as strong as it did, then yeah, and also the time, it's just, yeah, that's what I think it's a bit too early for us to just, if we're gonna break that 4 hour, because I mean we've had some decent move. This is just even from 3:30, right? This Asian session, and you've dropped like 140 odd pips, 140 to 150 pips. It's quite big for an overnight move, you know.
The volume's also big now.
100%. So I do think or expect that we should have some sort of pullback to a bit better of an area. That's what I'd expect and what I'd like to see, honestly. Ooh. Today's trade was a real nice one.
Yesterday's trade, that wasn't the normal strategy, yeah? That was a different setup, or...
Yeah, that was just price action, because essentially you're looking for buys, right? But buys were missed. Then now I was looking at, okay, so buys were missed, right? Started looking at the higher time frame. the 4 hour, and the most important 188. Clearly we didn't close below 188, right? So this was your structure and your support that you created. Now as you can see here, this candle pushed up, boom, didn't do anything, just rejected that top side, closed bearish. This next one pushed up again, couldn't break that candle high. If you can't even break that high, then well, doesn't look like you're going up further. So I wanted to essentially see if this candle could close above here, which would then give me a play to say, okay, with the 4 hour we should go push into here. Couldn't do that, and then started to pull back down. Now based off the higher time frame, I know what this is. We haven't closed above here yet, right? So looked at that, this candle played in, I was like, okay, cool. From a high time frame perspective, makes a lot of sense, right? And you can see here on the previous day the structure to the upside, and then I would just melted from that exact price point again. Now I have clean range to here, right? I was like, cool, this is done there. Waited for upper wick to form, flip, entered that, and then I was like, it's clean range. Okay, you can definitely get something out of here. And then yeah, just continue to fucking melt through the floor. That was just reading price.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Look at that on a 4 hour. It's like, okay, this 4 hour still needs to close above the hour to continue to move to the upside. I did do that, but then straight off the bat, just wah, wah, wah. Do you get me?
I get you.
Because if we are gonna continue, there's always I like looking at things. If you're gonna do something, do it. Now if we're gonna push up, right, then we need to obviously clear this. We couldn't do that, so okay. If you can't break that, then well, I don't think we're going up there anymore. Do you get me? You're done now, right? Essentially, if you look at it from 30 or 1 hour, you know, you've pushed down, yeah, pulled back, push back down, structure again to the upside, and then so overall this massive bearish structure is still holding. And if you look at this as a whole now, right, boom, boom, right, that exact same thing, boom, some range, boom. So is nothing yet saying, okay, let's buy this shit. The pound is not saying it, nor is the Japanese yen. You get me? When I woke up, I saw 180, 85. I was like, fuck. I think I saw 184. Yeah, as well. Yeah. When I woke up, I saw 184. I was like, what? Like, here. Because what was the price? 187 yesterday. So when I saw 184, I was quite annoyed. The first thing I saw was 184. I'm like, man.
Yeah.
Man. So, yeah. So wild wait, because you can see here now. Boom. Broken that low. You have the candle closed bullish. So you get me? So, it's gonna be good. That's very clear. Are you pushing up or are you pushing down? Or is structure to the upside or to the downside? You know? Very simple.
Yeah, it's pretty clear.
Yeah. So, it's gonna be a waiting game today. Or it's about where you'd like to play. Because one thing we do know as well, you'll see this a lot, like price creates maybe like a lower target or so, right? You can see here. Then we break that low, and then we start pushing up, right? So now I'd wait, because now this is not holding in like structure anymore. You've now pushed above that structure, this 15 to make support, pushing further up, right? You can start rejecting anywhere in here is what I'd like to see. So I'll pay more closer attention to these here. If this one does just go, then it's hearties for me, then I might have just missed it, but I will look for other way to get in at that point, but I doubt it because look at the steady. So I'm gonna look for my sells from here in these areas. That will be essentially what I'll be looking for today. Scum, brother. Ew. Ooh, baby. To go what?
I took a position at this area here. Just based off the 15. But I know it's got two areas that it could possibly go to. So I'm okay with the risk. But yeah, I just took a position here.
Where? I don't know where your is, bro.
Oh.
Hey, bro.
I waited.
I took a trade over here. Where? Bro. Oh, my word. I'm a magician.
Okay, go back.
I'm going back. I'm a magician like that. Oh, wow.
I waited for this. Yep. I waited for this candle to close. Waited for it to come, create a top wick, and then when it flipped, I entered. Yeah, my stops are just above this wick there.
Nice. It's a good place to place your stop, yeah.
Yeah.
Good morning, guys.
Goeiemôre, Sanbonan.
Hoe gaan het met julle?
Dit gaan goed en self.
Any planning? Yo, Diddy, we really need to see how to get those notifications sorted on that the school thing.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning,
When I looked this
Morning.
when I checked this morning, there wasn't a link yet, so I thought, maybe you're not going to be on before the news. And then I checked now, like around 15:15, and I was like, oh shit, you sent it like 2 minutes before the news.
Yeah. It's like Mr. Bond said, eh? I must just look there.
So I am also in a buy.
You're in a buy.
From here.
Who's also? Don't also. I'm not in nothing. You guys better not also.
I mean, Keegan said he was in a position, so that's my buy. My first target is here. Go on to the 1 hourly quickly. So last night when I got home, is it this one? I can't see your chart. Can you make it smaller? Like bring it in.
Like so.
Like closer, man.
Closer. You said smaller. I don't know what you mean.
No. Yeah, zoom out.
Oh.
I don't know if it's zoom out or zoom in. Yeah, like that.
Okay.
So you see this over here. We were kind of struggling. We were bouncing off it since Monday, I think. And then yesterday we finally broke through it. I was hoping that like in between Asia, we would push up to kind of retest, even if it was just that lower wick over there, which we didn't do. So my first target, like I said, is the one I showed you on the 15. But I would like to see if price could push up a bit higher, maybe either to the zone or back to this support seeing that it was such a strong rejection, and then like drop further into that zones that you were showing us yesterday on the daily and weekly. Yeah, but also last night when we got home and I opened the chart when I was laying in bed, I was like, yo, how did this thing drop like what 300 pips, my bro?
Yeah. And
Crazy.
the place where one entered yesterday was perfect.
It was beautiful. My word.
And that's the thing I
Yeah,
want to say, like about managing. Just have to manage a bit better.
I don't even know why I closed that fucking trade yesterday. I think it was because you and Diablo was like, close, or this thing is gonna go up now,
I
and
didn't
that
say
is
close, and I didn't say it's gonna go up now.
what irks me.
I would never, you guys, Kings, you know for a fact, I would never say close now. I'd never tell you what to do.
No, you were closing your own one.
Yeah, that was my own trade.
Yeah.
And then I still said, I think you'd still be in it because you manage your trades much better than me.
I manage my trades alone when I'm alone, yeah. Then I can hold it because I know why I entered the trade. But
Yeah.
the minute other people start talking in the background, bruh, then I start freaking out.
No, but you see, that's why it's important. Like, you see how we came about this morning now? You came in here and you discussed what you are doing. Keegs also this morning is doing his own thing. Do you understand? That's the
Mm.
whole point of all of this. At the end of the day, I'm here to help, right? And we're here to sit together and trade together. But when you go and say, that's why I discuss my plans also. I'm holding myself accountable. You guys can all hear what I'm doing, what I'm
Mm.
saying. So if I say, okay, like Keeks know what I'm doing. I'm looking for sales from here. Now, if I take buys now, Keeks know
Yeah.
for a fact, like, okay, I'm definitely not doing what I'm saying. And if they trade lose, I'm just being ill disciplined. Now, if
Mm.
you yesterday, like, if you guys feel some type of way, and trust me, I know how it goes because I've also been there and people start talking. I'm like, oh, my clothes and stuff. But you guys know enough of what you're doing. You get me? You even work your stuff out
Mm.
in a better way than me. So if you are saying like, okay, you entered here as well, it's like, okay, now I'm gonna leave my trade. Like, or if I'm like, oh, it's gonna go up, like, don't enter it if you like. This is for me also. Like, if you don't wanna hold that, it's fucking
Mm.
nothing. But I use a bit of a bigger size, so I wanna take and secure my money, but I can manage it
Yeah.
better. But
Yeah, but the lesson learned yesterday, definitely.
yeah.
I mean, because it was like a clean setup as well.
So
Yeah.
look at
Anyway.
your you guys must always look at your trades. If you have a plan, discuss it. Say, okay, this is what I want to do. I'm only gonna close blah 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 da da da. And you know,
Right.
Mm.
it's always important.
Sorry for the noise.
Hmm? But it's gonna be a good morning.
Yeah.
Dum, dum. It's gonna be a lovely day. I'm so scared that if I sing a song, like on YouTube, it's gonna block the audio.
Yeah.
Because you guys know my voice sounds exactly like the artist, and then, you know?
No, it doesn't. I mean, let's be real. Also, I can't find you on YouTube for some reason. Can you send me a link?
That's in my bio on the Instagram
I don't
bio, the
know,
TikTok
TikTok.
bio.
Come on.
Oh, it's in the Instagram
I
bio.
don't know, TikTok.
But you have Instagram and you've liked stuff there.
Oh, is it on your Insta bio as well?
Yeah, it's all there. There's a link tree on all of it, and then when you go there,
Okay.
then just look at the bottom. There's a YouTube link.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are live Monday to Friday. subscribe to the YouTube, the TikTok, and if you want even more for your buck, sign up to the mentorship. Let me get, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelts as we will be expecting some turbulence. Thank you. I have to get some hotkeys. A lovely day. I'm just looking at this now this morning, man. Okay, bus went. Oh, still people waiting. Can pick us up somewhere. Come pick me up. Pick me up when it's all over. Gold is doing its thing. Ozzy, what are you doing this morning?
I'm looking at GJ.
GJ.
Yeah. I could get it for sales.
Should be quite simple.
Yeah. I'm looking at here right now.
Ah, you and Geeks are on the same path this morning. Oh, 30 just goes. Dum 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 dum. Let's see what we get. I don't like this thing smaller. That's what she said. That is what she said, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, so I won this morning. Live on YouTube, live on TikTok. And live in everybody's hearts.
Yeah.
Woo! And my coffee is banging this morning. Yes, sir. Let's see. Maybe if this 15 does the business, I'll be interested. Nah, I don't like the way it looks.
Just push the button.
Nah, I'm fine. I just realized now why you and Katie are so quiet about both are in trades.
And I'm also looking at this now because if you look at, let me just draw this quickly. You check here, this resistance that was formed here, and if you draw a proper line, not a cuck line like I'm drawing right now. Where did you say that other tools are already?
Annotate. You just click on annotate.
Click on what?
Annotate. Annotate. Annotato.
I don't know. Okay, there we go. I found it. Yeah. You can see that there was a fake out over here, right? Broke above, broke below. We retested. This could be a possible drop over here. So if this next 15 minute doesn't close bull above these highs, then our buys might be invalid. That's if we're not stopped out before this candle's closing.
Well, it's 6 minutes left for me to make a decision. And for GJ to give me a decision. Give me the whoop whoop. Pop, 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 pop. Okay then.
Rudy, do you think this plan to come down here or like around here is a good one? To target that area? Or do you think that's a long shot and it's probably like around?
Well,
yeah.
So where would your target be? What's on the chart? What's your target? Right? Around these areas.
Down there.
Cool.
Yeah.
But we can also see this here. So I'd obviously want to see if I was in a trade, how it acts around here.
Yeah.
You know, but these are decisions that I can help you monitor. But these are essentially decisions that you need to make on your own. Are you comfortable? If it pushes to here, right? Here's your scenarios. We push to here, right? And you decide, okay, I'm gonna leave my stop, or I move to break even, or I secure profit. That's all. Those are three decisions to make.
Yeah.
Do you go break even? Do you leave your stop? Do you secure profit? Either way, you have to live with that decision, right?
Yeah.
But now, if it does push to here, you move break even, and it goes straight back to your entry and then pushes down. Well, what can Bobby say now? Because those are decisions that involve you managing your money. I can help you trade, but I cannot manage your money for you.
Yeah.
The same as yesterday. I can't do that because we're trading different sizes. We feel different, all of us,
Yeah.
in these positions. Do you get me?
Yeah.
So, me personally, I'd monitor it. I secure my profit and stuff. But essentially, yes, this would be a target area because that's what's on the chart. But from a point of view of reading price, I can clearly see this fucking candle that did one. Can clearly see this candle here push down into there and then push back above. Essentially, what is this? Essentially, this is support. Now I know we're talking about sells and that fake out there and this candle, but as long as this is there and this candle hasn't closed yet, this is support. Do you get me? If this candle now had to close bearish, then only would I have the resistance. But this candle is still open, there's still 2.5 minutes left, so I can't say. Right? But now, I do have a sort of kind of idea of what's gonna happen, just based off of like what I've seen a few times already. But now that pushed 14 pips, right? So if you don't enter there and stops above here, okay? 50. Now, if I'm targeting here, this is 50 pips, right? Damn, it's nice. It's a 50 pip range. But I've already now pushed in this candle alone. I've gotten down to like 13 pips, 14 pips almost. Right? Now, do I need to hold it all the way to there to secure something? So that I can say, TP, yeet, TP smash, TP, you know? Or, can I secure some fucking money here? I can definitely secure some fucking money there. What else? And what can you see? You can see here some information on the chart here. Here's a wick over here. Here's a wick over there. This now also. But you already have these 1, 2, right? From my perspective, I know I can see here that price is not just pushing down. You get me? So I'm obviously going to make decisions in here because I want a good move down. But I can see it to the left. I haven't gotten that yet. I can see this candle hasn't closed yet. Only once this candle closes can I say, okay, I have the resistance and downside further should happen. Well, there's 44 seconds left. Now, do not let what I say affect how you feel or whatever, because you are in it for a reason. But
I made my decision, so I'm sticking to it.
Okay.
Yeah.
In my
But
profession,
I understand.
Yeah. So from my point of view and GJ knowing how it acts, I think we're gonna close above here. Now I know there's only 14 seconds left, but I don't think we're headed down further right now. I could be wrong. 4, 2, 1. Okay, I'm wrong.
Would have been nice if that candle closed back below that area to the left. Yeah.
I don't know why I don't trust it. This could be my only valid option. I don't know why I don't trust it.
Just say you trust it for me.
I think it's.
I think I know why, because this thing's dropped a lot. And I think the 30-minute hasn't really given a strong bearish closure yet. Yeah. It's a really weak bearish closure. The 1 hour still open and it closed engulfing bullish. So I think all of those factors are
Yeah.
playing into it, and maybe because the reference from where you took your trade last night and now, it's a huge drop.
Yeah.
So it's like, can it even go any more? Maybe, but now news came out, so you never know what news does.
Yeah, the news is all pointing one way, right?
Yeah,
The news is all pointing one way. But me, I want to see essentially this happen because of the way that this structure here went. Now you can see that candle closed above. You can see these wicks are not closing below here. So yeah, I'm gonna stick with my decision. If it does go down, then so be it. But I don't think for it to happen, then again, there's no real fucking reason to go up. But I'd appreciate if it did. It's the time. Okay, we're getting into 9. How much was this now? Ooh, my jam. It's like a 8-book move. Oh. Can you guys hear the music?
yeah.
Yeah. This song has to go, like, I have to bump this in the car. This song with some bass. This song with some bass should go in, brother. I swear. Wait. Some bass to this shit would be banging. Maybe a rap over it, or like, you know, it's a love ballad or something over it. The intro. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. What? To my headphones up. Yeah. I said, yeah, yeah. I said, yeah, yeah. Okay. We got Keegan in the house. We got Ozzy in the house. We got Katie in the house. Monday to Friday, we are live every day. Trading GJ all the way. 15 minutes on the highway. I'm getting, yeah. Profit, whoops, no stop loss. Support, resistance, SMC, no. Fuck them, all of them. Fuck their mental. Fuck their trades. They broke as hell. They ass as hell. With hairline shit. Fucking do a diss track on this beat, bro. See, you know, based on that already. Playing that out of secure there. That had 13 pips. That for me is making a decision already because I don't want to deal with this. And then I can go break even or leave here to cover for that. But that's just me. Thought about that this morning as well, like based on the discussions we had yesterday with and I think we've spoken about it before, you know, if you are now taking your trade there, right? And this year, and your trade pulls all the way down into here and then starts to reverse and does that. Now you didn't need TP. but you didn't make any fucking money. Meaning you sat here for 3 hours with money on the table, didn't make anything, all because you wanted to see a fucking TP hit TP smashed. That has to be some dumbass shit, bro. Obviously you wanna read the chart according, you know? So reading the chart is so important, being able to read the candles, making your decisions. But for fuck's sakes, bro, if you get like you sat fucking 2 hours to go with nothing, you know what that's equivalent to? That's equivalent now to meeting a chickie, taking her out on a date, spending 3 grand on your first date or whatever, right? Or second date or whatever. Even if it's your mochi of years, you spend 3 grand now, picked up, whatever the case might be. And she's like, oh, thank you. And you don't see no boobs. Fuck that, bro. I'm spending 3 grand, I'm seeing boobs.
Yeah.
Show me them titties. Oh
Why
yeah.
must it always go back to the boobs?
Because boobs is life. Think about the world.
No.
Think about the world without boobs.
No.
Yes. Wars are fought over boobs. Wars. People are killed. Heads chopped off for years, centuries, decades. Okay, I'll clean it up. Imagine you did all of that and then you don't even get a hug. Is that one better?
Mm.
It's just that.
Mm.
'Start a trading course and train like this. Yeah. That'd be lekker. I swear if I you know what I'd really actually enjoy, like speaking at the seminar, like at the trading seminar. Yeah, I'd enjoy that shit. I've thought about it before, like I'll tell me yo, I'll be like, yo bro, if you weren't so big I'd smack the fuck out of you, bro. That's dumb. What are you gonna do? I'm standing there as a mentor, you can't do anything, bro. Sit there with your big ass and listen. Well, and me, remove that's what people think. She's my trader, that's Keegan's trader. 5 minutes for the 1 hour to close. That could also be a song, eh? Ozzy,
Yeah, I'm here.
I need you to write me a rap song, eh? on like, just write me a song, bro. You're gonna be my you're gonna be my writer, bro.
Okay,
Good
you're like,
rapper.
Hmm?
You're a good rapper.
You guys are hate this, bro. My jams are gonna be. Damn, how long you gonna take, GJ? Hurry. This is what I wanna play. So at least I know I can play India. I didn't know these fucking range was like 50 pips. What's happening now? So what's happening now is that what all you actually need to go with overnight. We can see here that overnight we've pushed down, right, and then created structure. Now what we've done is we've pulled into a key area over here, this yellow line, which is key level, and we've pulled back. Now you can see the difference between prices here and prices there, right? I'll show you it now. You can see price pushes down and then does that. See that green candle and that red candle there? That's what I would call resistance, right? And then you do it and then you get it again, resistance, right? So it's holding structure. So sort of kind of like stairs, building floors. You're building down, there, building down, there, building down, there. Now see the difference here? That went through the roof, the roof, or the next floor, yeah. So that's gone through. So that's essentially, for me now, the structure has changed, and you can see that price here has done now again that, right, as it was doing, but these are what we call wicks. These now haven't really, these candles don't look as nice as these ones, very clear to see. So prices quite now are just in a range, pushing up, closing, pushing up, pushing down, closing. It's not doing this, you know.
Yeah.
So my next thing that I'm waiting for then is, well, this was an option here with that closing just below there. That was worth a go. I pushed a bit down, but now it's pulled up again. Essentially, I want to look for a nice area to sell from. So if it could pull back to the previous floor that it's created, which is here, then to sell again from there to continue some more structure to the downside is what I'll be looking for. But right now, nothing's really happening. The hourly candle just closed. Let's see now. No low, weak on the hourly candle. Price pushing straight up off the bat. Do. Whew. Okay. First minute. You don't know now, but you gon' find out. Quite interesting. Did you like this spot on today, eh? So what are you gonna do? What are you doing, Kochiro? Bonds!
Oh, I was muted. I had my entry was as this candle flipped, right? And then my stops were above here.
Are you still in?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then, but I closed, when I saw this bullish closer, as it broke the high here, I closed 50% and left the other one here. And then, yeah, now I'm just at 50% down. And stops are at break even now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You're going for the full.
I'm going for the full. We'll see what happens.
Do you think about adding that half position back?
Yeah, but I didn't really know how to do it in a way that I didn't feel like I was over trading.
Ah, okay. No, I get you.
I could have. I'm looking at it, but I don't know.
Yeah. Essentially, further, this was the only other one. But now we're not breaking previous highs. We are breaking lows, but I still don't, for some reason, I'm not a fan. The structure don't look like this. I'm a wait. It's one of those breaking the lows and waiting.
Yeah, it just doesn't want to go.
I've been in the scenario you talked about earlier, like getting in here.
Mm-hmm.
Like getting in here. My drawing is working.
All I heard was getting in here.
Yeah, my drawing is not coming out.
Your plan is not coming. Somebody on TikTok said just buy. Just buy. You buy.
I can't draw right now. I don't know why.
Are you using that mic, or what are you using?
I'm using my headset.
What was the one that makes it muffle? Was it the headset again? Or is it the headset? We have
I really
Vector.
don't know.
What the flip is Vector 3? What's Vector 3? Anybody know what Vector 3 is?
No.
No. Ask them so that they can tell us. So that we can laugh a bit.
D-Man Johannes, what's Vector 3? because you said just buy and now this thing's pushing down. So CIA stuff. D-Bed, you had this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be nice today. Feel good type of day. Because you see all of this pushing down and then you're like, yeah, buy. Just buy it. Yeah. Always find those people funny. See, this is what I don't want to deal with. Like, we're gonna push down this fucking push down. Fucking play it out.
Oh yeah, that's secured.
You secure?
Yeah.
Nice. Real nice.
I got a little runner in.
Oh, nice. Let me give you a little.
I might be back now. Hold on.
Just gonna make an example of something now. I could already hear your voice now, okay?
What?
Just gonna make an example, man. Like, I was gonna say something with this thing playing around. Like, if you're gonna do it, just do it. Like,
I'm still in my buy down.
yeah.
Until we close below that support the way we are rejecting from the whole time, I will stay in my buy.
I agree with you on that. I was thinking the same thing. Lucy, what are you?
Because if it wanted to close and go down, it could have closed 1, 2, 3, 4 times below that area, but it's not. So let's see. I mean, it could still go either way. Let's be real. But for now, keep my
It's a bit of a wait,
keep
but
my baby open.
it's what it makes
Yeah.
sense. Demon, I really don't know what Vector 3 is. Well, I'm gonna send you an invite and you can explain.
No, I'm trying to check my drawing. It's not coming now. Like what you said earlier, how in the past I used to be in that scenario where I'll get in somewhere here, then sit through to this place, and probably I'll see my place.
Hello, guys.
Oh, we got a caller on line 1. Victor, why flip are you outside?
Hello, sorry.
What's Vector 3? What is that?
Okay, Vector 3 is the movement that a market maker does when he goes down. He push 3 times. As you can see there, we have 3 pushes to the low. Then after that, he gave us a bullish candlestick, bullish engulfment, which is he formed a W pattern. Yeah, he formed a W pattern there. So he's gonna come for a second leg.
Oh, okay.
You see there. Yeah, that is why I'm saying I see a vector 3. So this guy is gonna try to push down up. I mean, he's gonna try to push up and come back again to form a second leg, because he already gave us a first W formation, which is V.
I get you.
Do you see that?
Yeah. The only thing is I don't really care about the market maker.
Okay.
See, because essentially,
Yeah, even me, I don't care about the market maker, but I always try to trade in line with him.
yeah. So in line with him would be sales, right?
Uh, okay, right now, can you try to open for me maybe 1 hour chart? Let me see.
Victor, it's quite
One
simple.
hour.
Is it pushing up or down? It's going down. So I just need to wait.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay.
Just need to wait. Yes, I can take buys. Right?
Ah,
Can't. I'm looking for sales from here. Now I can take buys today, but I don't want to do that. I want to wait. I'll much rather wait than play this into there. No.
okay. I understand you.
Yeah. And I understand you. We understand each other. Hey?
Yeah, we do. Because me, I didn't check the bigger chart. I just saw here, then I just said buy because I saw a vector. I know after a vector, that guy must push up.
Oh,
That's
so
what he does.
so what you now this morning did was you scrolled, you saw a chart, and then without checking the chart, you just said buy. No, man.
Yeah.
No, you are nuts.
But I wanted to maybe to analyze it with you so that I can see that I was right or I was wrong. So that's why I wanted to see your 1 hour chart.
Ah, but then you mustn't tell people to just buy. Right? It's real money people are risking here. You just witness the candle
I
spike up.
know.
Yeah. So that candle, yeah. So yes, with
You
this.
see that guy what he's doing.
So this is why, like you see, with this candle pushing up now. This is why you pay attention to what price is doing, right? You can see that even in this price pushed here, but then closed back above here. Push there,
Yeah.
still close there. So same thing with this. Okay, we're not getting this clear structure to the downside. So yes, there's room for upside. I do expect upside. That's what I want to see. And then I want to play the overall
Okay.
downside move. Not 100%. Boom. Katie, you should be good now. Okay, Victor, I'm gonna have to drop you, brother. It's quite windy. But good
Okay.
chatting to
Yeah,
you.
it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, you can drop me. It's fine. It's fine. I will always be here on live checking what you are doing. No
Oh,
problem.
okay, love you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Yeah,
Okay.
Sounds like a cool dude.
I go away for like 2 seconds. This thing.
Yeah? I think it's good. I like the different plans and stuff this morning. I like your plan with the sales and stuff playing and out and so forth. Katie sticking to her buys. It's nice. It's just gonna be long. That's all.
Yeah, but the same thing with the cells is like the buyers are doing the same. It's not breaking above this resistance that we have formed over here.
Just you
It's
wait.
just like playing around in the small little range. So yeah, it's just gonna be a
Yeah.
patience game to see what happens today or
Just
this morning.
yeah. I think this next 15 will do it. Break these eyes close above, and then yeah, start to play out after that for what I'm looking for.
Mm.
So maybe everybody gets their moves today.
Yeah, maybe we do. And it's CPI today later on, was US CPI
Yeah, so I'd like to get my ass done as soon as possible.
before 2:30. I will. Actually, even before London lunch
Mm.
would be amazing.
Mm, 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 mm.
I forgot the move.
Still needs to close though. Oh, Keeks.
Yeah.
Is the what's I saw the iPhone 16 now came out or whatever, no? But the prices here are, yeah, it's a bit hectic. So, but is it that side like as they advertise, like if they launch it at trade is pushing up, if the iPhone launches there, but they advertise it as like, oh, they're selling it $800. Is it $800 in the shop? Are you guys?
I'll check it now.
Because I know the 16 Pro Max was advertised as like 1,200.
So the iPhone 16?
Pro.
16 Pro.
I have a fart, just hold on. Oh, okay, it's out.
It's 1,200. So that is
Midweek reversal.
21,600 rand.
Yeah, now here they're selling it for like 40k.
No way.
Yep. It's a midweek
What?
reversal. Check from the beginning of the week. Yes, but we're not just doing that, Johannes. Because I was thinking, do you want to maybe... I'm live right now, so I don't want to say the word that starts with an S. You want to maybe want a South African that thing?
Oh yeah.
Okay, wait, let me... Okay. That is what
It's
I'll
not
do.
out yet though.
Let me just... I think I'm just going to put a pause on the YouTube because it's going to be a bit of a wait.